Alright, today I have a mid fade for you guys. We're going to start off with our trimmer, creating our bald line. We'll grab our shaver. And make sure that once you're getting close to that line, you start flicking out and reducing the pressure. And then just using the corners helps too. Alright, next step, we grab our Rebels, lever open. And once again, you want to start flicking out once you get the desired length or thickness of your guideline. Just because it'll be easier to get rid of this later on. Alright, so that's my desired length. We're going to go ahead and apply the one, close it. Next guideline, and we're flicking out already. And then we're going to open the lever and go above that, one closed. And this is really light pressure, scooping out. We're going to do a 1.5 open, look out that line into that weight. The hair was already pretty short on the side, so it's easy for me to just flick into it. But you can grab a number 2 or even a number 3. And then the reason why we tend to flick out as we get closer to the parietal is because once the head starts curving, if you're constantly keeping the guard or the clipper on the scalp, you're going to create a round shape when you're looking at him directly from the front. So by flicking out, you're able to create a like curved out type of silhouette that you can later on turn into a square or round it off if you need to. So to keep that in mind, it's all about creating shape. Alright, so this bottom line right here, the second one, we're going to take it out with our half guard. We're going to probably go halfway. And since it was a 1, it's not much different, so we should be able to get it out. So just play with the lever. Pressure. Now we just got to take that bald line out. We're going to use our trimmers that have been zero gapped. And if you want to save some time, all you got to do is flick this as much as you can into the weight that's already there. And yes, these are zero gapped. This will allow that blend or connection between the shaver and the stubble. Alright, so any spots that were left behind, we're just going to go in with our clipper. Just lever play.